Okay, hello and good day everyone. No? So today we will discuss naman about the tangent secant on the circle intercepted arcs theorem. Okay? So nasa tangent and secant na tayo. Okay? Here in tangent secant on the circle intercepted arc theorem, it states that the measure of angles formed by the intersection of a tangent and a secant on the circle is half the measure of its intercepted arc. Okay? So sinasabi dito, no, na yung angle na na-form ng tangent and the secant line on the circle, okay, is half the measure of its intercepted arc. So just like to doon sa inscribed angle natin, okay? Now, example here, we have circle C, no? Okay? In a circle C, no, we have secant BW and the tangent XY. Now, in circle C, secant BW intersect tangent XY at W, which is also the point of tangency of circle C and tangent XY. Okay? Now, prove that measure of angle BWX is equal to half of the measure of arc BW. Okay? So i-prove natin na yung measure daw ni angle BWX kalahati lang sa degree ng arc BW. Okay. Now, himayin natin, no? As you can see here, no? Yan. Tanggalin mo natin itong B, itong second BW, no? So as you can see here, we have it, no, broken line, no? Which is the diameter KW. So ito yon. And then tangent XYW. Okay, now, so once na mag-intersect yung diameter and the tangent line, we can form two right triangles. I mean right angle. We have KWX and then KWY, no? So kung right angle yung KWY, then the measure of angle KWY is equal to 90 degrees. Kasi right angle sila kaya 90 degrees yung measure niya. But, no, since meron tayong diameter here, we can form in a circle C, ha? Okay, we can form two semicircle, no? And that is KW sa part na to and KW naman sa left side. Now, kung semicircle yung KW, therefore, yung degree niya is equal to 180 degrees. Okay? Now, remember, no? Yung intercepted arc natin, no, is opposite to its inscribed angle. Okay? So yung inscribed angle natin, no, that is KWY, no? Then yung intercepted arc ng KWY is KW. Now, what happened to their angle measures? Okay? So yung intercepted arc natin, which is KWY, is 90, and yung yung inscribed angle natin na KWY natin is 90 degrees, and then yung intercepted arc niya, which is KY, is equal to 180 degrees. So nagpapakita dito na yung inscribed angle or yung angle formed by a diameter and the tangent line is half to the degree of each intercepted arc. Okay? So therefore, itong formula na to, no, is true, no? True kasi nga na-prove na natin dito based on the diameter and the tangent Okay, now let us apply this formula. Example here. Okay, the same figure, no? If measured angle BWX is equal to 67 degrees, what is the measure of arc BW? Since BW is the intercepted arc of angle BWX. Now, using this formula, no, substitute your BWX to 67, okay, and then multiply it by 2. 2 times 67, that will be equal to 134 degrees for your measure of arc BW. Okay? Next, number 2. What about if your measure of arc BW naman is equal to 128 degrees? What is the measure of angle BWX? Okay? So measure of angle BWX equal to 1/2 times measure of arc BW. Substitute your measure of arc BW to 128, then divide it by 2, then we have 64 for a measure of angle BWX. Okay? So madali lang. How about this one? Now, if measure of angle BWX is equal to 6x degrees and your arc measure of arc BW is 2x plus 80 degrees, what is the measure of angle BWX and arc? I mean, measure of angle BWX and arc BW. Okay, again, using this formula, no? Substitute your BWX to 6x equal to 1 half times your BW to 2x plus 80 degrees. Remove natin degree signs, no? I mean, okay, sige, diretso natin. Na multiply by 2x, then 2 times 6x is 12x equal to 2x plus 80 degrees, no? Okay, then transpose 12x, I mean 2x to the other side, we have 12x minus 2x is equal to 80. 12x minus 2x is 10x. Then divide both sides by 8, I mean by 80, I mean by 10, sorry. Now divide both sides by 10, cancel this out. We have x degrees is equal to 80 divided by 10 is 8. Okay? Or your x is equal to 8. So unang step natin is to find the value of x so that we can find the measure of angle BWX and BW. Measure of arc BW. Now, since your x is equal to 8, no, substitute na lang natin, no, your x to 8. So 6 times 8 is equal to 48 degrees for your measure of angle BWX. For your arc, no, in case lang din nyo nakikita ha. For your arc BW, we have 2x plus 80. Substitute your x to 8. 2 times 8 is 16 plus 80. That would be equal to 96 degrees for your arc, measure of arc BW. Okay? Now, let us have an exercise. No? Solve the following using the tangent secant on the circle intercepted arc theorem. Now, if measure of angle EBC from this figure is 88 degrees, what is the measure of arc BE? Okay? So ito yun ha. EBC is 88 daw. Ito yun. And then ano daw yung intercepted arc niya na BE. Again, using this formula, no? Substitute your measure of angle EBC to 88, no? Then multiply it by 2. So 2 times 88, that would be equal to 176 degrees for your measure of arc BE. Okay? Next, if measure of arc BC is 179 degrees, what is measure of angle CBA? Okay? So here, substitute your CBA, I mean your measure of arc BC to 179 degrees, multiply it by 1 half or divided by 2, then we have 89.5 degrees for measure of angle CBA here. Now, CBA, ito naman yung CB. Okay, medyo tabingi lang ang pagkakalagay, no? Next, if measure of angle ABC from this figure is x plus 26 degrees and measure of arc BE, no. ABC, ito yun, write natin kasi baliktad eh. Dapat CAB, no? We have here CAB, and then this one should be CA. Okay. Now, if measure of angle CAB is x plus 26 and measure of arc CA is x plus 88, what is x? Okay. Here again, we can use this formula, no? Substitute your measure of angle CAB to x plus 26 is equal to 1 half times your AC mo, arc AC is x plus 88. Now, multiply x plus 26 to 2, no? Para matanggal yung denominator. 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 26 is 52, then equal to x plus 88. Transpose x to the other side, we have 2x minus x is equal to 88 degrees minus 52 degrees. No? We have here x is equal to 88 minus 52 is 36. So your x here is 56. Okay, so that's it. Okay, thank you for listening, and again, do not forget to answer your exercises. Okay, so that's all. Goodbye and God bless.